In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror an Android phone to your Xiaomi TV Box. Now, over here, I have the Xiaomi TV Box S, second gen with Google TV, but even if you have the Xiaomi TV Box with an Android TV, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your Android phone screen to any Xiaomi TV Box you have. And first things first, you want to make sure that both your phone and your Xiaomi TV Box are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you come over to my Android phone over here and then just come over to the Wi-Fi settings, you can literally see that it is connected to my Wi-Fi over here, which is this Airtel X25A. Now, if you come over to my Xiaomi TV Box and then just head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the TV, then come over to Wi-Fi settings, you can literally see that my Xiaomi TV Box is also connected to that same Wi-Fi network. Now, once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to come over to the home of your Xiaomi TV Box. Now, come over to your Android phone, and then from your Android phone, you want to head over to the Google Play Store over here, and then download and install this Google Home app into your Android phone. As you can see, mine is already downloaded and installed, so I'll just go ahead and open it up. If you're using the app for the first time, you might actually have to set it up by entering your email and other requirements, and once the app is properly set up, you should have a page just like this one over here. Now you want to head over to the devices tab at the bottom over here, and once you get to the devices tab, you should be able to see all of the devices that you can actually cast your Android phone screen to. So you want to go ahead and select your Xiaomi TV Box. You can literally see the name of my Xiaomi TV Box over here, and then you want to go ahead and select the Xiaomi TV Box. Now go ahead and click on the cast my screen option over here, and then click on cast screen. Now click on start now, and automatically your Android phone will be screen mirrored and screen casted to your Xiaomi TV Box, and you can literally see that it works properly well. So I can start playing music, playing videos from my phone, and it will be shown on my Xiaomi TV Box, as you can see over here. Now, to turn off the screen mirroring feature, what you can just do is to scroll down to this notification center over here, and you should see the screen mirroring notification. Go ahead and click on this icon so that you get the drop down, and then just click on disconnect, and automatically your Android phone will stop screen mirroring to your Xiaomi TV Box. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.